Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel and I hope you're well. In today's video, I will show you a way of how to add a reading progress bar into your website. It's simple. Sometimes you want to make your blog a little bit more fancy. A lot of people are doing it, so just it's easy by adding it a plugin. You can go to plugins, add new, and you can add a plugin called Worth the Read. So when you activate and add the plugin into your website, you can come here in the end of the Worth Read and press Reading Progress. So here it is. We started by doing settings. Here we have the functionality. So you need to choose where do you want the reading bar to be. I have posts and pages, for example. Then you can make sure you have included comments off. You don't need that. Then you can see here the placement is where do you want your bar to be, like here or below or left or right. And then you leave the rest as it is and you save the changes. Now we're going through the settings and then I will show you a couple of other tips. Now, style, if you can see here, I have the thickness as 161. Obviously, you can change it and I can show you the rest. I'll leave the colors, I'll leave the colors like this one as it is and I save the changes. Make sure you have here shadow and the rest as it is. But I wanted to show you what it looks like as thickness. You see, when you go to reading, you see this little blue, pink, which it looks beautiful. You can change by going up and down. Obviously, I have a lot of thickness. You can make it smaller, so I did it deliberately for you to understand. So the thickness becomes smaller. I'll leave it for 85 maybe. We can do it even 5, like make it a thin line, but we can make sure that see the difference. And you can see here now is again, you can see the line. You can make it smaller, including like much smaller, like even to 10. I just leave it there for you to see, the difference. It's really actually good. And you can play with it around if you want to have different colors here. And, make sure you tick the color you like. And you can save the changes here below. And that's it. It's good to have it because sometimes gives you a little bit more fussy blog or fussy website, make it a little bit more if you want to impress people, or a lot of people that do have on the blogs a reading bar, anyway, progress bar. So make sure you play with it, use it, and it's always good to learn new things and see how that goes. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like this video, to subscribe to my channel, leave your comments below, connect with me on the social media, and ask me any questions you want. So have a great day.